I get it. You don't want your car hard to start, so you put some grease on, you protect things, but you don't realize that if you put grease, a bunch of grease on top of here, and it rolls down in between your connections, you've just reduced your connection. Sure, it didn't rust, but now your car doesn't start. Or in my case, the cranking was starting to get long, and I decided to investigate, and this is the first time I've been on this vehicle. I've had 2 years. So it can take a long time, or it can be immediate. Don't over-grease the top of your batteries. After I do a quick cleanup, I'll be good to go. After a quick spin, it looks really clean. Use the other end you saw a minute ago on the inside of this guy in here, and you'll be great. This one was totally green on the inside, but after brushing it out, it's not. The corrosion still happens. The grease just slows it down and sticks on top of it. So that's kind of a before, and that's a different one after. This connection was just as green on this side from corrosion buildup. So you can see it's still kind of corroded and bad up top. That's not where the connection is. It's okay to clean that. It might help if you're putting a jumper cable up on top, but you really need to get down underneath. And if you can see to underneath, it's white with buildup from acid out of the battery. So I really should test this battery to see if it's still good. But if you don't have the money for it, clean things up, it might just get you along for a while longer. Be sure to get these on really tight. These guys I like to get on tight until they don't move, but no more than that, because you always want to have some spare clamp left to stretch the clamp over time so you can change multiple batteries over the life of your car. You get this tightened all the way down and stretch it out, it won't fit your next battery. Case in point, I had to get a little bit tighter here. But this one's so tight and so rusted on, then I'm going to have to do that at the house while I'm not traveling and put an impact on it. Because even with my monster lever, I couldn't get this to stay put. So that'll be awesome.
For your video?
Yep.
Don't show me.
No, you're good. Alright, so we have what temp it is out here.
And the cold cranking amps, which is 800.
Oh, you guys have upgraded if you're doing that now. That's cool.
Oh yeah, we're fancy now.
Yeah, you used to have the load test ones that can set fire to the gases out of the battery.
Yeah.
I admit those scared me, but I was prepared to do it since I didn't have one. A lot of glare on that, but
I know, right?
only on the camera.
Yep, bad battery, sir.
Bad battery. What?
Yep. It caught a bad cell in the system, so that's what automatically turns it to bad. But that being said,
I got you. I knew something was wrong.
Yeah, I say 99% charge, so it sounds like your alternator's pretty good.
I think so.
If you want to crank it up, I'll go ahead and check it for you.
Sure. So we did a startup test.
Yep.
Off camera.
Now we did the alternator. We gotta wait for the voltage to stabilize.
Okay.
Pass all around. Yep, alternator's good. Just need a new battery.
Yeah, I figured I did. All right, man. Thank you. Be sure to get out there and work on something. Here will be a related, very popular video where you can tell if your battery is bad with the charger. Here will be a video that Google thinks you would like from my channel the most. And be sure to stick me in the eye, kind of like I just did yours. That way you're subscribed.